For today's video, we're gonna play some Minecraft Hardcore. So, first thing we need to do is we're gonna chop some wood. This is the easiest part. Okay. Okay, alright. Now, looks like this is a good run. Don't jump there, we might fall. Let's do here. Okay, let's see. Stop there, that. We're gonna craft this one. Oh, I already found the copper. Nice. So, this will take some cobblestone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now we need to craft some iron pickaxe. Now we can get this. But the problem is I don't have a copper. Wait. Have an idea. So we will have a furnace now. And we will cook this. Alright. Okay. What's this? No, that's not what I need to do, bro. All I need is furnace. I don't care, bro. Do that, bada bing, bada boom. Wait. 6, 7? Oh, nah. We're gonna take a box of this and this. Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna craft some. Oh, no. Okay, alright. I'm gonna get some wood. By the way, guys, I'm not gonna show my real voice because I'm not ready yet. Alright. For the next video, we're gonna have some geometry dash again. So my channel is about every days playing Roblox, geometry dash, and Minecraft. Alright. All done. Should I build a house or a bunker? Let me do a bunker. Wait, what's that called a bunker? I don't know. Okay. Copper pickaxe. I'm gonna move this. No, not that, bro. I'm gonna make some small house. Only for me. Alright. Nice, this is a nice house. Boo! Alright. I don't have enough money to buy some PC. So I'm using some, what's that called? Computer. I'm still saving up. So this is the door part. Alright. So, let's complete that for some copper door. Should I use this? I thought like this is gonna waste my... No, but don't do that. Wow, that's a nice sound, but it's also okay. Oh my god. My mom is calling for my dentist. I'm going to be silent because, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be silent before, I'm gonna just end my house, I'm gonna be silent, okay? It's almost turning night, bro. I'm scared, bro. I'm just out. Let me kill some. No. I need to do this, bro. I'm gonna kill some sheep. I find some sheep before I die. Bro, where's all that sheep that I seen before I start to read. Oh no, 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 no. There's no